Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're doing another unboxing, and this time it's from Lilienthal Berlin. Now this is one of those fake unboxings because this is one of those packages where I had to open it in front of the delivery guy to confirm that the package has been untouched, which is why this is ripped. However, upon seeing the box and opening this to see that the watch is inside, I put it back in and waited for this unboxing to actually take the watch out and try it on. So I really didn't spend any time with the watch, like I said, just in front of the delivery guy. So let's open this, take out these papers, and inside is the box and the papers with the receipt. Let's move this away. Inside is another cardboard box. As you can see, it has the Zeitgeist, it has the model name, it has the logo and these cutouts. Let's move away this white one. Inside is another cardboard box. Once we open that, you have this, which is like a warranty and some cool images. A postcard. Several postcards with the watch. Wow, that's a new one. Okay, let's move that away. And here's the box. It has this velvety texture about it, and inside is the watch with the date for the guarantee. So this is actually the guarantee. This is how to take care of your watch. Yep, care instructions. And so another how to use your watch, user manual, a sticker. They really do work on their branding. Look, everything has the logo and these cutouts and everything. Pretty cool. But let's move all that away because that's not what's the interesting part. The interesting part that we're interested in is the watch. And here it is, called the Zeitgeist. So Lilienthal is another, and I'm sorry, I just smudged the crystal, let me just clean it. So Lilienthal is another, minimalist watch company that you have a lot of them. But they again take their own take on the minimalist design, which is something I always respect. This Zeitgeist model is automatic, and it's actually powered by the Swiss-made Sellita SW-200 that you can see right here, and they even have a customized rotor. Now the watch is supposedly made in Germany, and it has a sapphire crystal, and like I said, a very minimalistic design. Let's get it going. The crown is tucked away completely, like on a Seiko 5, which is something I actually like because I prefer these kind of crowns. The case is PVD coated. You get this really nice leather strap. It's a distressed leather, but it is really nice. It has the quick release pins, something I always adore. It has the matching black PVD coated buckle. And that's pretty much it. I love this touch of blue on the second hand. They did have a silver version. If you follow my channel, you know I don't like coated watches. And I was actually deciding between this and a silver dialed version that comes with a regular silver case, but I kind of liked the contrast on this more. As you can see, the numerals and even the hands are really contrasting the background, so I really like it. The watch is very symmetrical. The date is at 6 o'clock, done in black. All in all, a pretty well executed watch. Now again, just as usual, I will be doing a detailed review, so do stay tuned for that, where we're gonna cover, after I spend some time with the watch, I'll see what I like, what I dislike. But overall, except for following the trend of these minimalistic watches, this is an interesting take on them. I especially like the font they use, like this. It's like a mix of minimalism and Bauhaus design because it has something German about it. I really like it. I love the hands that are so long and they reach their designated markers. I especially love, like I said, the blue seconds hand. Anyways, let's just put it on my wrist and that's gonna be it. So move away. Take off my trusty SNX 111. And as you can see, the watch is not really too big. I believe this is a 39 or maybe 40, and this is a 37 millimeter watch. But it seems like it has really short lug to lug because the lugs really go downwards. But once I put it on my wrist, we'll know what's what. And here it is. As you can see, the lugs don't extend past my wrist, so the watch is really not too big. It is an old dial design, but somehow with this darkness it's actually okay. Again, I love that blue seconds hand. Look how noticeable it is and how it's just gliding there. I like it. The watch seems pretty thin as well. I don't know what the measurement is, but it really doesn't seem too thick, and the strap is rather nice. Anyways, that's it. Like I said, stay tuned for the full review where we cover all the details of this watch, and we'll do some macro shots to see how well it is made when you put your loupe under it, because like this it looks really flawless, but you know, macro shots reveal some irregularities on watches that seem perfect to the naked eye. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.